Alright, so now we'll discuss the second topic, that is abetment and conspiracy, a criminal conspiracy which is dealt in the IPC section 107 to 120B. Okay, so in the BNS, the section numbers have been changed and little more improvements have come, but we are discussing from IPC. Okay, so if anyone is referring from which act we are taking all these things, it will be from IPC only. Okay. All right. So we'll see abetment of thing, section 107 of the IPC. Abetment of a thing is when a person instigates any person to do that thing. Okay, if I am telling you to go and harm someone, okay, that's number one, or engages with one or more other person, or if I'm coming along with you, okay, who are going to do that act, or persons in any conspiracy for the doing of that thing, if an act or illegal omission takes place in pursuance of that conspiracy and in order to the doing of that thing. So for example, even if I am not part of it, but I am going with them to do that thing. For example, we are going to rob someone. I have planned everything and have shared with you and other people, and I am doing, I am a part of that. Okay, so that is what it is explained here. So in the next very next thing is a better, that is where we have been explained. So section 108, an abettor is a person who abets the commission of an offense or an act which would be called an offense ultimately, and is committed by a person capable of doing it with the same intention as the abettor. So my intention can be to harm this person and snatch few things from him, and I have assigned someone else. So I am becoming the abettor, that I am telling you to go do these such things. Or even if I am coming with you, but I am just watching you and I have planned everything and I have shared to you, that is also the person who is called abettor. So what's the punishment? So it is like what is abetment is dealt in section 107, who is abettor is told in section 108, and the punishment for abetment is in section 109. So it's all in a single line. Okay, section 109 says if the punishment so the punishment for abetment varies according to the gravity of the crime committed. If the abetment results in the commission of a minor offense, the abettor faces up to 3 years in prison, a fine, or both. So it will vary. So if it is just a minor crime, maybe like some theft have been done but no harm was done to any human body, and during these type of things it can be considered as like they will be imprisoned. Then we jump to liability of abettor when one act abetted and a different act done. So for example, I have told like there is a very like expensive car, we'll say a Mercedes, and I said like the logo is of the Mercedes is very expensive, so I have told you to do something. Okay, and the act which you did, it might be something different. When a abettor engages in the act of abetting, but the act ultimately committed is different from what was abetted, the abettor is liable for the act as if they had abetted the actual act committed. So I have told you to steal something, but what in case someone was inside, you forcefully hit them, you harm them, and some serious harm you committed to them. That was not my intention, but you done it on my behalf. Even if that's done, still I am liable for it. Easy. That is what section 111 is saying. Abettor present when offense is committed. So like we said, like every situation is having a different section. Whenever any person who is absent would be liable to be punished yeah, to be punished as an abettor is present when the act or offense for which he would be punishable in consequence of the abetment is committed, he shall be deemed to have committed such act or offense. If I am present, okay, and I'm seeing all those things from afar, like okay, these things are happening, even that situation I will be liable for the offense committed. Okay, then comes we'll directly jump to definition of criminal conspiracy. Okay, that is 120A of IPC. What is criminal conspiracy? Conspiracy is defined in section which states that it constitutes a criminal conspiracy when two or more people agree to commit an illegal act or an act that is not illegal but is committed through illegal means. So there are two things. One is like a group of people, two or more, are planning or are agreeing to do some illegal act or doing some act which is not illegal but through a illegal way. For example, I want to help poor people. Okay, so we three are coming together. We have stolen something from a museum or from a big shop, and we went and so what we wanted to do is not wrong, but the way which we used is wrong. So that also comes under criminal conspiracy. Okay, the punishment for criminal conspiracy is next to that. So 120A is the meaning, the definition. The 120B is the punishment. A punishment can be with death, imprisonment for life, or rigorous imprisonment for a term of 2 years or upward, where no express provision is made in this code for the punishment for such conspiracy be punished in the same manner as if he had abetted such offense. So it's either death, it's imprisonment for life, or rigorous imprisonment. So when you read about kinds of punishment, so these are the kinds. There can be fine, there can be light imprisonment, then there is a rigorous imprisonment, then there is a imprisonment for life, then there is a death. So these are different kinds of criminal like the punishments. Okay, so here we end the second topic, which is abetment and criminal conspiracy.